Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn new lesson number 6, combustion and flame. So write a title, this title in notebook. Before proceed toward this combustion and flame, everyone know about the fuels. Mostly fuels we are used to get energy in the form of heat. So examples of fuels are cow dung, then charcoal, LPG, wood. These are many examples, petrol, diesel. These are examples of fuels. Everyone know candles. Candles burn with flame, whereas charcoal does not burn with flame, but it glows with heat and light. So next point is combustion. What is meant by combustion? Combustion is a chemical process. Why it is called as a chemical process? Here some chemical reaction take place. So combustion is called as a chemical process. It is a chemical process in which substance react with oxygen to give off heat and light. This is known as a combustion. So here oxygen is essential for the combustion. This is substance is react with oxygen, it gives heat, light and sometimes sound. It is a chemical reaction, chemical process. Oxygen is very important. For combustion, have you understood what is meant by combustion? It is a chemical process in which substance react with oxygen to give off heat and light. Sometimes sound also produce. This is known as a combustion reaction. So combustion has two types. Means here some substance are according to substance. Combustion classified into two types. Here one is combustible substance and second is a non-combustible substance. I will write here according to substance. Combustion can be classified into two types of substance. One is combustible substance. Combustible substance that can easily burn and produce heat and light. Example, paper, fuels we are using in daily life, diesel, petrol. These are combustible substance. Paper, petrol, CNG, LPG, etc. Many fuels are known as a combustible substance. Second type is non-combustible substance. The substance which not react, which not easily produce, which do not produce heat and light. These substances are known as the non-combustible substance. Example, glass, iron rods, metals, iron rod, metals. These are non-combustible substances. Why? They do not react with oxygen and do not produce any heat and light. Glass, iron rod, etc. Have you understood? Two types are there, combustible substance and second is a non-combustible substance. Now let's move toward the new point, ignition temperature. What is meant by ignition temperature? It is the lowest temperature. Means it has some substance has a lowest temperature. Every substance has their own temperature. So ignition temperature, it is the temperature, it is the lowest temperature at which substance catch fire easily. This is known as the ignition temperature. At the lowest temperature, substance catches fire easily. This temperature is known as ignition temperature. Have you understood ignition temperature? Now next point. Inflammable substance. Inflammable substance, the substance at the lowest temperature, at its ignition temperature, easily catch the fire. These substances are known as inflammable substance. The substance at the lowest temperature, at their ignition temperature, can easily catch the fire is known as inflammable substance. They have low ignition temperature. And can easily catch fire or can easily burn with flame. Now next point is supporter of combustion. Supporter which support the combustion. Here during the election, we support the politician. Same like here, supporter of combustion. Some factors are there which support the combustion. First is gaseous environment. Gaseous environment is required because without gas, combustion is not possible. Means in that gas, oxygen. Oxygen is very important for combustion. So first is gaseous environment. Second, size of combustible particle. Size of combustible particle. Lower size of combustible particle, greater rate of combustion. Means if the size of particle, combustible particle is low, lower the size of combustible particle, greater rate of combustion. Third, nature of combustible substance. Nature means here combustible. Every combustible substance has an ignition temperature. If the substance whose ignition temperature is lower, we can easily show this combustion process. So nature of the combustible substance here, inflammable substance can easily burn, can easily show this combustion process as compared to the substance such as the wood. Flammable means whose ignition temperature is low. They can easily burn and they can easily produce heat and light. So nature of combustible substance. First is gaseous environment. Second is size of combustible particle. Third is the nature of combustible substance. Gas, oxygen is very important. Lower size shows the greater rate of combustion. Flammable, inflammable substance can easily burn as compared to the other substance such as the wood. Means the substance whose temperature, whose ignition temperature is low, they can easily show this. They have great rate of combustion. Next, control. How to control fire? Control of fire. Here two important parts, important substances are there we can use to control the fire. One is water. We mostly use water which extinguish fire. But fire involving oil, petrol, diesel, that time carbon dioxide is act as a fire extinguisher. So first is water and second is carbon dioxide. We mostly use water to extinguish fire. But when the fire involves oil, petrol, diesel, electrical appliances, that time we are using carbon dioxide. Next one, types of combustion. First type is rapid combustion. See here, rapid combustion take place within a short time. So name is rapid. It produces huge amount of heat and light. It is this type of rapid combustion is used in a machinery. Second, slow combustion. This slow combustion takes place at a low temperature whose rate also is slow. Slow process is there, it requires more time. So this slow combustion take place in our digestive system. Cellular respiration. Okay. Third, explosion. Explosion word means indicate here something is explosion. Means here huge amount of gas is released. Best example, in Diwali we are using these crackers. This is the example of explosion. And last type is spontaneous combustion. This type of combustion in which external resources for this spontaneous combustion. Here combustion takes place without presence of external source of heat. One example of white phosphorus. It is a non-metal. It easily catches the fire, whose ignition temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. White phosphorus. When the temperature increases above the 35 degrees Celsius, at that time white phosphorus can easily catch the fire. So this is known as a spontaneous combustion. Types of combustion: rapid combustion, slow combustion, explosion and spontaneous combustion. Okay, here combustion is over. Combustion, we start with fuels, then combustion, according to substance. They may be classified to combustible and non-combustible substance. Next, in ignition temperature, then inflammable substance, then supporter of combustion, then how to control fire and the types of combustion. Here combustion point is over. Next point is flame. Some substance burns with flame, whereas other substance does not burn with flame. It glows. Okay, candle is burn with flame, whereas charcoal this burn with flame. Next for substance, some substance burns with flame, and whereas other substance does not burn with flame, it glows. Okay, so here candle is example. Then kerosene, candle wax is there. Kerosene when rises through the wick and vaporize during the burning and produce the flame. So this is the definition of flame. Next point, zones of flame. Okay, this point we will see tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.